Greetings, fellow traders. Bubba here, and it's time for the Lunchtime Market Update for Wednesday, June the 17th, 2020. I hope everybody's having a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. All right, let's check and see where we are in the market here today. So SPX up about 8 points right now. It's been really choppy this morning as we've been waiting for Powell to talk here again today at 12 o'clock. So he's been kind of talking here, starting to maybe say a couple of bullish things. The market turned a little bit green, so let's see how that goes here. Weekly chart still above the 30 weekly moving average, and inside day so far. So if it feels choppy, it's because it is, right? Relatively narrow range move here within yesterday's range. So again, let's see if we can get above these highs right here and start to fill that gap on the SPX. Let's take a look at SPY. SPY, same thing, inside day, relatively low volume here today. Let's take a look at the price action day. Just a really choppy, sloppy day. There was an opportunity here inside 15 down to the 15 or below, and we're seeing a little bit of a move there after Powell making a couple little positive comments about the economy. So let's see how that goes into today. We have the ES here breaking out of this triangle pattern right here, but coming up into another drop zone area. So let's see how that goes. Of course, the market could rip on all this stuff, but again, same thing here with the MES as well, as it's breaking out of those levels. Let's take a look at the Qs. So a couple of the Qs are moving here this morning, so that giving this a little bit of push up. Netflix is pretty strong today. Facebook looks like it just got a nice little pop. So let's see how that goes. Let's take a look at the IWM. IWM not so good, right? So this is below the 15 or below right here. So this is definitely lagging the market there. Watch out, this could be a potential bear flag or even a rising wedge into the 15 or below on IWM. Let's take a look at Apple. A little bit of apples and bananas here. So Apple's been all over the place today. Big shadows, pushed down at the open. It really needs to get above the, it got fresh all-time highs today, so it's got that going on for it. But let's see if we can get over the pre-market highs. See if this thing can really get going. Otherwise, we may see some more chop on this one today, too. Tesla gave a couple attempts today. It gave a nice inside 15 up right here for a quick pop. And it's chopping around a little bit here over the 15-hour high. But if it can get over these levels right here, it might try to make another push to 1,000. So we've got that going on there today. What else? AMD, this is one that we took at the open. So it gave us a nice, we just took a hold of this momentum here at the open, gave a nice move over to the pre-market level. So that was a great trade. Right now it's looking like sort of an H pattern. So, but it was great at the open. So that was a good one there today. And Beyond is one that's been on the radar. It's a tricky one to trade. It gave a nice morning momentum, but it just really hasn't gotten any follow through to the upside here. On the intraday side. So, but nice at the open. Got a couple chart requests out there. Let's take a look at Square. So Square's doing really well today, so it's hanging in there nicely. So look at that, all the way to 100 on that one. Great job on this one. So it was a bull flag breakout, nice follow through today. It was strong at the open. We tried it yesterday at the open and to give too much, but I like the doji sandwich move today. So good job for anybody who stayed with that one. FSLY. It is a fun one to trade. Nice little doji sandwich up on this one as well. So good job on Fastly. That's looking pretty good here. So just continue to monitor it, see if it gives you a it starts to reach a harmonic level up here, but looking okay. At least for from the day trade side of it on the intraday. Let's take a look at Piton. So Piton again tried to make a move today. It basically tagged fresh highs and pulled back off of it here this morning. Boeing. Really narrow range day on Boeing today. It was triangulating intraday, so let's see if it can try to make a push out of the cloud there. Nikola. Hanging in there inside day today. It did give a pop here intraday, so we pointed this out to our members here when volume started to come in. It gave a nice little move right there, so let's see how that holds into the rest of the day. Netflix had actually some relative strength today. From this morning, and it's kind of grinding its way up here today. So it had a decent move at the open, a little bit of pullback, and it kind of working its way up as it holds the ADMA up today. And then last but not least here, we've got Snap. So Snap has probably been the most trending stock today. It's a tough one to trade, but once it cleared these recent highs, right, it gave a good move up right here. So over this 2150 level was a nice move on Snap. So let's see if that can continue to work its way up there as well. So other than that, guys, that's all for today. I hope everybody has a great rest of your trading day. We'll see you guys at the market wrap and on the live stream later. If you're new here, definitely click subscribe on YouTube and hit the notification button, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Stay healthy out there, and remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game. And I'll talk to you guys soon.